Hello, Cancer. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In case if you're new here, then hello. My name is Tarusha Saxena, and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. And now I want to introduce you to this channel wherein you are going to find posts about weekly and monthly zodiacs, some fun pick a card readings about love life, relationships, marriage, career, health, and so much more. So, my dear Cancer, if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my future videos. Disclaimers. These readings are absolutely general readings for Cancer. So in case if it doesn't resonate with you, then don't forget to check out my love readings for other zodiacs as per your sun, moon, rising or Venus signs. And also remember that timing is fluid and these readings are timeless readings. So you will watch this video only when it is meant for you, my dear Cancer. And let's get started now and let's see what the cards have for you. This is your love reading, Cancer, and the first card that comes out for you is the new beginnings. Okay, the Sun card. So there is a new beginning. So if you have had a recent fallout or a breakup, you can expect a new relationship coming into your life very soon, and this particular relationship will definitely have some future, some stability. This relationship will definitely go somewhere. All right, and in case if there has been no, like in case if you have been single and waiting to get into some relationship, then this is the time for you. All right, my dear. New beginnings with the Sun, great future, great energy. The Tower card. Okay. So, my dear Cancer, I am having a sense that there has been a recent breakup that you have gone through, and it was a sudden breakup. You did not break off, is what I'm getting a feeling. Somehow your partner broke up with you, all right, and it was like absolute all of a sudden, and you still do not have the answers for why it happened. All right, a lot of your answers have not been, a lot of your questions have not been answered in terms of why that fallout happened, and you're like, very shaken and broken. Is that what has happened with you, Cancer? Let's see what the cards have in store for you. Strength reversed. Yes, this particular breakup that you have recently had has totally broken you up. It has totally shaken you up because, as I said, a lot of your questions have not been answered. You still are wondering why did that happen, and like you're very weak right now, you're very vulnerable right now. But my dear Cancer, let me tell you that your time is going to come because there's a beautiful relationship, a beautiful partner waiting for you. Somehow I'm getting a feeling, I'm getting the word soulmate, I don't know why, but a beautiful person waiting for you to come into your life. And it's going to be a beautiful relationship. This is a relationship of a lifetime. I mean, it's a karmic relationship that you have earned in your previous lifetimes, both of you. The Page of Wands. Yes, there is, it's not very soon that this person is going to come into your life, but he's on the way. He or she is like, it's coming. Okay, the pace might be a little slow, but it is coming. All right. um it's going to come, and this particular person is going to be very, very proud of whatever they do in life, whatever they have in life, and they will also be very proud of you, my dear Cancer. Judgment. Yes, so judgment is basically, it's all about justification of all the pain and heartache that you have gone through in your recent breakup, in your recent life. It's time for you to look forward to some beautiful new beginnings, all right, which is going to give you some kind of security. Ace of Wands. Yes, definitely. There is a new relationship, new opportunities, new beginnings on the cards. Okay, let's see now what Archangel Power Tarot cards have in store for you, my dear Cancer. Nine of Raphael tells you, make a wish, dreams become reality, a joyful time of life. So as I said, it's the judgment time for you. And come on, look at it. You have like 4 major arcana cards and, all hinting towards something good. So in case if you're falling weak, my dear, if you're feeling a little depressed, depressed, dark and low, you have a beautiful future to look forward to. Okay, somebody very beautiful, a karmic relationship is coming into your life very, very soon. And make a wish, dreams become reality, joyful time in life. So you have good times knocking your door. All right, so don't keep looking at the past and feeling bad about what has happened, because you have a beautiful, beautiful future knocking your doors. The next is strength. Oh, come, see, what a beauty, okay, of this spread. What a beauty of the spread. So we had the first strength, which was reversed, and which showed that your breakup, your recent breakup, has left you broken and shattered and weak. All right. And now you have the archangels telling you with their message that this particular new person, this particular new relationship is only help you going to build your strength back, and is going to make you very, very stronger, spiritually inclined, and is help you again going to find your ground. All right, your strength, and if there is, and this card also tells you that strength and grace through kindness, self confidence, and forgiveness. So if there is something about your previous relationship that you have not been able to forgive yourself about, then just forgive yourself. It's actually easier to forgive others and very difficult to forgive yourselves, ourselves actually. But you need to do that. Be kind to yourself, okay? Forgive yourself into whatever has happened. Don't blame yourself that somewhere you went wrong, all right? Because sometimes whatever has to happen, it happens for our own good, because a beautiful relationship is on the cards, which is going to give you lot of love, respect, security, and everything that you deserve, all the happiness that you deserve, all right? Eight of Ariel is telling you, take great pride in your excellent work. Take great pride in the excellent effort that you have given in your previous relationship. Practice makes perfect. Consider getting additional suggestions and ideas, whatever, with respect to your new relationship. I think that you need to be so much more open to your new relationship. So it is going to come into your life only when you will open yourself up to the universe, my dear Cancer. So please forget about what has happened in the past. The thing of the past, let them remain in the past. Open yourself up to move forward in life. All right, now I'm going to pick up the messages for you. Karmic bond. I was just telling you guys that you guys have earned this relationship. It's a karmic, it's a karma, you have it's a karmic relationship, and you have earned this through your karma, this particular relationship that is going to come into your life. Okay, karma always comes back again. It's karma coming to you, all right? So it's the karma again, that is bringing back this new and this wonderful person into your life. Okay, count your blessings. So don't sulk, don't make yourself weak by living in the past and looking at the things that you have lost. You need to count your blessings with whatever you have. Just count your blessings and be open to new things. Okay, and the last card is I need you. All right, so I definitely, your partner is going to need you. The new relationship on your cards is going to be a fantastic relationship. It's going to be a beautiful relationship for you, Cancer. So all the best for such a beautiful new beginning. All the best to you guys, and do take care. If this reading resonates with you, do leave your stories and comments in the comment section. In case if it doesn't resonate with you, Cancer, don't forget to check out my other love readings for other zodiac readings, for other zodiac signs as per your sun, your moon, your Venus, and the rising. Also remember that these readings are timeless, and you will see this video only when you're meant to watch it. All right, do take care, Cancers, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.